Hey everybody, this is Darren with General Devices, and today I want to talk about transfers. Interfacility transfers, discharges are a common occurrence in the healthcare industry. They happen thousands and thousands of times a day. Another common occurrence is miscommunication, and a miscommunication during a transfer can result in your patient having a really bad outcome, or worst case scenario, that patient expiring as a result of the wrong resources being requested with the wrong equipment showing up to take your patient that's really sick from hospital A to hospital B. eBridge is a communication tool that we can use to build a process that's standardized, it allows your staff to follow a script, and really eliminates those miscommunications that can happen in this complex process of requesting information that sometimes has to go through a transfer center and then trickles down to your transporting agencies. eBridge is a great tool. As you can see, the configuration I have on my screen is one that's set up for starting all kinds of process activations. So if you're doing team activations for STEMI, requesting resources, sharing HIPAA secure information about a patient or an event, all that can be done right through this application. So I want to direct your attention down here to our helicopter, ground, and priority transport buttons. I built these buttons as just a demo. We can really do anything for you guys, but this button is configured to be a medium priority. It has a predetermined body with some reminders of information that needs to be conveyed to the receiving agency about the patient's location, room number, their name, destination, equipment needs, and care level. We can even build some reminders in there about, hey, if they're on a balloon pump, make sure that we request the critical care truck. We can also build in forms, a customized form that would populate immediately for you guys, which is a great option for this type of process, to be able to make sure that we have everything being filled out the way we want it to be filled out on every request that happens. So without further ado, let's send that off and take a look. So if I were at a dispatch center with eBridge running, this is what it would look like coming in. You'd get an audio and visual alert with that acknowledgement. So there's safety features built into eBridge that if that person does not open your message, you get an alert back. When we do hit the acknowledge button, that lets me know as the sender to take that red dot and turn it into a green one. And if I needed to look at those times for some reason, I just click on this little eye icon down here in the bottom right, and I can see all of my times when that message was sent all the way up to acknowledgement. The options for the receiver are to call back. You can mix video calls, audio calls that are recorded right through the application back to the sender if you needed additional information. This could be forwarded on if you're at the transfer center. This could be forwarded on down to an EMS agency as well with additional information added in, or you can simply reply to the sender as well. eBridge is a really great way to standardize your process and eliminate those miscommunications. Reach out to General Devices today so we can provide you with the right care at the right time in the right place.